Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time use of the EcoSolve toilet bowl cleaner strips, which are this box right here. A little while back I actually purchased these because previously I was using traditional toilet bowl cleaner that came in like a large plastic container, but I've been trying to be more eco-friendly and sustainable by minimizing plastic waste. And so I went on Amazon, looked at different toilet bowl cleaners, came across these strips and decided to go ahead and purchase them. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll go over the packaging, the general features of this toilet bowl cleaner, then I'll walk through using it for the very first time. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are the EcoSolve toilet bowl cleaner strips. You can currently get these on Amazon for about $14 for a pack of 60 strips, which comes out to 23 cents per strip. Additionally, I have the option of buying 3 separate boxes for about $39, which comes out to 22 cents per strip. So there's not a significant difference in price for buying in bulk. As far as the packaging, the main highlights of this product are it's septic safe, plastic free, biodegradable, and non-toxic. It's fast dissolving strips, which you basically throw into the toilet bowl, it'll dissolve, and then you can use it as a traditional cleaner. As I stated, this box will have 60 separate strips, and it's going to be a floral scent. As far as the packaging, it's all 100% recyclable, so you can just recycle this, and that's the main highlight of this as compared to traditional toilet bowl cleaners, which come in plastic containers that need to be recycled or thrown out. So that's the main thing. Beyond that, we'll kind of read the back. It says, our eco-friendly toilet bowl cleaning strips are revolutionizing the way you clean your toilets. Designed with both cleaning power and environmental consciousness in mind, these innovative strips offer a sustainable solution for maintaining a sparkling clean toilet while reducing your carbon footprint. And the directions here say basically place 1 strip into toilet bowl and let dissolve for 20 seconds, then brush with toilet bowl thoroughly, and then flush, and that's really all you have to do. And then it's got some instructions as far as storage. As far as ingredients, it's basically a bunch of chemicals, nothing too crazy, and then some perfume. But that's it as far as the actual packaging. Real quick, we'll open this up and give you a sense of what it looks like inside. So they have this card that says thank you for purchasing. That's nice. And then they also have instant 20% off your next toilet bowl cleaning strips. So they offer a 20% discount if you want to purchase it. And then here's the actual strips. So these are very similar to, for those of you that are familiar with laundry detergent strips, I actually switched to those, and they're virtually identical, where it's like basically a strip of detergent, or a strip of, in this case, toilet bowl cleaning, which is basically a strip and you just throw it in the water and it dissolves. So it's much lighter weight as compared to liquid soap. You don't need the giant container, you don't need the plastic container, so it's much more sustainable and eco-friendly. And basically each of these strips will be 1 cleaning, so you get 60 cleanings for the price of $14, which is really nice. So that's it as far as the packaging and everything. Real quick, one thing I did want to do before we forget is the fragrance is like a nice floral scent. It's very generic, like very florally, not overly pungent or anything like that. It's just a floral scent, nothing too crazy there. But we'll now wash my toilet or clean my toilet with this strip and give it a sense of how it performs. Okay, so I never thought I'd be showing my toilet on YouTube, but here we are for the first time. But what we'll do now is we'll just throw 1 of these strips in the toilet. I didn't make anything special for this video to make it overly complex, but we'll let this sit and dissolve for about 20 seconds and see if it dissolves on its own, just sitting there. And so we'll just kind of sit here and see if it dissolves with time. I'm gonna just poke it down to see if it dissolves a little bit quicker by getting it underwater. But that's a little bit beyond 20 seconds, so I'm curious how long this takes. Okay, so definitely, there we go. So it looks like it's still got parts of it that are little like fragments of the actual detergent, but the bulk of it is actually dissolving into the toilet bowl water now. So it does take longer than 20 seconds, so the packaging isn't really accurate there. But I would recommend is probably using this where you just throw it into the toilet, come back after a couple minutes and let it sit. Make sure it's dissolved before using it. Currently I use a Clorox cleaning brush. I'll probably switch to like a more traditional brush as far as cleaning now that I'm switching over to this. But really we'll just basically agitate this whole area, kind of see how it functions. But in general, it seems to do the job. It's basically a detergent or cleaning liquid that is basically a sheet that then dissolves throughout. And it's nothing overly complex here. Really all you need is a brush and then the detergent sheet. So clearly it does work and kind of does the job here for what you need. So that's really all I have for this video. It's really just highlighting it, focusing on the product, the overall sustainability, the packaging. Clearly it suds up as far as the soap, so it does seem to work pretty well. From that standpoint, it just takes a little bit longer to dissolve than anticipated, but that's not too big an issue. So that's all I have for this video. So that was the EcoSolve toilet bowl cleaning strips. You can currently get this on Amazon for about $14, which is probably cheaper and more affordable as compared to a traditional plastic toilet bowl cleaner. So definitely check them out if you're in the market for something like this or trying to minimize your plastic waste. So thanks for watching and have a great night.